CSS gradients can also be applied as transparent full page backgrounds. Let's go over a common example. So in our style sheet, we'll first select the body element. And then we will declare the background property. And we'll go ahead and type WebKit, since I'm on Chrome, linear gradient, followed by a set of parentheses. We'll use an HSL color value as our starting color, and we'll see why in a bit. And we'll follow it with an ending color value, but this time we will use the keyword transparent. So we'll save this out and we'll take a look at it in the browser, refresh this, and we're seeing a bit of an issue here. Instead of a smooth fade from blue to transparent that extends the full height of the browser, we're seeing the gradient repeats in these small intervals. To fix this, we'll need to give the HTML element a height of 100%. So now when we refresh, we're getting our desired result, a full page gradient background. So now if we need to adjust the size of the gradient, we can simply add a color stop position after the transparent value. So I'll go ahead and make this 75%. And we can see how that brings it up a little higher on the page. We can also overlay the gradient on a background image. So let's add an image layer below the gradient. So our background is bg.jpg. And we'll add a background size property with the value cover so that it proportionately fills the entire background area. So we'll save this and we'll refresh the page, and we can see how the transparent value allows the image to show through behind the gradient. And now we can easily adjust the values in our HSL color to achieve different hues. So I'll make this 195 and make this 44%. And now we get a lighter aqua tone overlaying the background image. The value transparent actually refers to a transparent RGBA value of black. So it's exactly the same as using an RGBA value of black with an alpha of 0. Now, because of this, we can sometimes end up with this sort of grayish tone in the middle of the gradient. And we can kind of see that going on here in our background area. To fix this, I found that using an RGBA value of white with an alpha of 0 will get rid of that gray in the gradient. So let's refresh this. And now we can see that this results in a much smoother and cleaner transparent gradient.